Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn about LoRa, and also make a small home automation system using REYAX RYLR998 LoRa module. Here LoRa stands for long range. LoRa is a wireless transmission protocol and consume very low power, and has a very long range of transmission distance. We can transmit data near about 10 kilometers, unlike Wi-Fi and Bluetooth which has range of only few meters. LoRa modules are very small and available in a very cheap price. So we can use these modules in place of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules which are very expensive. In this video I am going to use RYLR998 LoRa module from REYAX, which can be easily controlled by AT commands. And also I will make a small home automation system by using this module with Arduino Uno. Now let's get into this video. To use these modules in projects, first we need to set frequency band and address of transmitter and receiver. For that we have to connect these LoRa modules with our computer by USB to serial interface. Here I am using an Arduino Uno instead of a USB to TTL converter module. Connect Arduino Uno with LoRa module as per this schematic. Connect reset pin of Arduino to ground pin of Arduino. Ground pin of LoRa to ground pin of Arduino. TX pin of LoRa to TX pin of Arduino. RX pin of LoRa to RX pin of Arduino. Connect VDD to 3.3 volts of Arduino. After making the connection, now connect the Arduino with your computer to set the parameters. Now open Arduino IDE, and then open Tools. Here you have to select the right COM port. Then go to Tools and open Serial Monitor. Here we will communicate to the LoRa modules using AT commands. Here select both NL and CR. And here select the board rate 115200, which is default boot rate of LoRa modules. This is the LoRa AT command guide for REYAX LoRa module. You can download this documentation from the link given in the video description. Here in the documentation, first AT command is AT, which we generally use to test if module is connected with our computer or not. If we send AT, then in a response we will get OK signal. So let's test it. Here type AT and press enter. Here we get the response from module. That means LoRa module is now communicating with our computer. We have to configure the frequency band of the LoRa modules. And one more important thing, there are some allowable frequency band in all countries which you can only use in wireless transmitter. To know the listed band in your country, just search on Google. In my case, it is approximately 865 MHz. Type AT plus band 865 MHz. And here we got OK, that means band is successfully set up. In the AT command guide, here if we want to set the address of LoRa module, this is the syntax for configuring the address. An address could be in between 0 to 65,000. And in response we will get OK signal. Here now type AT plus address and here I am giving it 1. This address 1 is for the transmitter and for the receiver it will be 2. You could give any address you want. Now press enter. Here OK signal means address is successfully set up. Now let's set up network ID. And this is the syntax. And the network ID would be in between 3 to 15. And in response we will get OK. Here type AT plus network ID and ID I am giving is 5. You can give any number in between 3 to 15. Network ID will be same for both transmitter as well as for receiver. Now we have successfully configured the transmitter part. Now in similar manner configure the receiver part. These are the codes for our project. This is the transmitter part of code. And this one is for receiver. Now upload this code into respective Arduino boards. This is the schematic for the receiver part of circuit. This circuit is very simple, you can easily make the connection using this schematic. The only thing you need to understand is these resistance. These resistance play a very important role in this circuit. These two resistance is used as voltage divider. Arduino board gives 5 volt logic level, but the LoRa module works with 3.3 volt logic level. So if we directly connect the LoRa module to Arduino board, then in that case we will not able to communicate properly. Even the LoRa module could damage. So we have to drop down the 5 volt logic level into 3.3 volt logic level. Using the voltage divider resistor. Here I am using 10 kilo ohm and 4.7 kilo ohm resistor to divide the voltage. And for the transmitter pin, that is TX pin, no need to divide the voltage, because Arduino can handle the 3.3 volt logic level, so we can directly connect it. This is the schematic for the transmitter part of circuit. Make all the connections of transmitter as per this schematic diagram. And the story of this resistance is same. This is my transmitter part of project. Here I have connected LoRa module using voltage divided resistance. 2 push button for sending data to control appliances. And this is the receiver part of project. Here I have connected 2 AC bulb, using 2 channel relay module to demonstrate the project. Now everything is done. Let's see project in action.